you're experiencing controller drift in Minecraft, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you unlock and fix the issue in a few simple steps. Step 1. Check controller settings. Go to your gaming device's settings and navigate to the controller settings. Ensure that the sensitivity and dead zone settings are properly adjusted to minimize drift. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to clean around the analog sticks. Make sure to let it dry completely before testing. Step 3. Update firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Connect your controller to your device and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update it. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Most devices allow you to recalibrate your controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset the analog sticks to their neutral positions, which can help eliminate drift. Step 5. Test in Minecraft. Launch Minecraft and test the controller's performance. Move around to see if the drift issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, consider seeking professional repair or replacement. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve controller drift and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Minecraft.